Giggle and Riot is a combined photo studio and photo booth company in Sacramento, California. We're in an 8,000 square foot old historic brick building. We have thousands of dollars worth of equipment going in and out of the building. One of the most important things to us is making sure that our equipment is safe. Having the Ring doorbell, the Ring alarm, and the indoor-outdoor cameras have been really useful for us to track and monitor what is going on inside our building at all times of the day and night, even when we're not on site. That's something that really helps us sleep at night. A few weeks ago, we actually had a break-in attempt. Because we were able to see what this guy was doing, we were in constant communication with the police. The police knew what he was doing, and it was all because of the Ring cameras. Because we have a lot of different people coming in and out of the building, we needed a way to set different levels of access throughout the building. Using the smart locks with Key by Amazon, we are able to assign specific codes to the different people. It's nice knowing who's moving throughout the building. Another feature that's been really useful for us is to have the Ring camera sync to a smart lock. We're able to remotely unlock the door using the Ring app. Because we are so cloud-based, our business would not be able to operate without strong and reliable Wi-Fi. Just by the nature of being in a brick building with steel reinforcements inside, there were a lot of spaces in our back warehouse that was just one giant dead spot. Now with Eero, we have strong, consistent, and secure coverage all throughout our building. It was really nice that Ring was able to provide different solutions for our smart access, our Wi-Fi, and our security needs through working with Eero and Key by Amazon. The whole system just being able to be set up in pretty much less than one day, we were able to get back and focus on working. We're spending less time worrying about our building and our security and more time making our business a success.